Today I'm going to show you a layout grid in Figma. Let's start. Okay, so I'm over Figma and here we can see two screen. First desktop and second one is iPhone. So I select the desktop screen. Here we can see a red strip. This is a layout guide. So first select the desktop. In right section we can see the layout guide option. This is the toggle we can show or hide the strip. So how layout guide help? So through the layout guide we can adjust the element on screen. Okay, so each screen having a different section and each screen have a different elements. Okay, so through the layout guide it helps to adjust the placement of content. Also helps to make consistent spacing between lists, size of buttons, spacing between cards in list or in form. Layout guide even helps to convert the same layout for different devices. Type of uh, guide option. So first is grid, columns and row. So first we talk about the grid. So we see here there are two options, size and color. Okay, and on screen we can see the grid boxes. So here we can increase the size of grid with the changing the number. If we increase the number, the grid size will increase. Okay, so we can adjust the size of grid with this. Second is color option, so we can change the color from here, and also we can adjust the opacity. Second is column. Okay, on to show on a screen. So if we select 7, so there are we can see the 7 column. Okay, second is color. So I already tell you about the color. We can change the color and adjust the opacity. Type. So here are 4 type of option: left, right, center, and stretch. So when we select left side, we can also increase the width of column. Option offset, so we can adjust the offset like it shift from left. And if we select center, so it will change the direction from right side. Also adjust the width and offset. Center, it will go center position. Stretch, it will stretch on screen. In stretch option we can see here the margin, so we can adjust the margin from both sides. And the last one is gutter, so we can adjust the gapping between columns. So we can increase or decrease the gap between columns. Okay, so next is rows. So same here, counting, so we can increase or decrease the number of rows. Okay, color, so we can change the color and adjust the opacity. Top, so we can increase the height. Offset, change the offset. And gutter, so spacing between row, increase or decrease. Bottom, so all row position change, it start from bottom. Center, all rows go is center position. And stretch, so all rows stretch from top to bottom. the grid. Here we can see here the layout grid used for navigation tab and buttons. So we can define the grid as bit of icon. The column. So we can see here column helps to arrangement of element for different devices. So for desktop we can see here the grid and same layout we can convert for mobile or tablet devices. Is row. So row helps to maintain the gap between list and form. So in first example, we can see that there we define the spacing between list and place the item accordingly.